scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus students, let's master this derivative graph quickly. We need to find the relative extrema and inflection points for the original function f right now. First, look for where the derivative graph crosses the x-axis to find relative extrema. Since the graph of f prime only crosses the axis once, f has exactly one relative extremum here. Next, we need inflection points, which occur where the derivative graph has a local maximum or minimum. Looking at the peaks and valleys, we see two clear turning points on f prime. Two turning points on the derivative graph mean the function f has 2 points of inflection. This confirms the final answer is B. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush by watching signs. Trust given data and check steps carefully.